gives some really good tips for beginners. And I'm going to go ahead and read some of the best chess openings for beginners. And what I'm going to do is, if this is your first time at the channel, I would like for you to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. The best chess openings for beginners. The first moves of a chess game can be some of the most important moves you can make. In those moves, you will establish your early plans and fight for your place on the board. Most beginners don't need to memorize exact opening moves, and you should instead focus on good opening principles like controlling the center and developing your pieces. However, it is useful to know some openings, as they can be common, and they do help reinforce good plans. But don't become too reliant on memorization, or you will soon find yourself feeling lost. Some of the best chess openings for beginners are: number 1, the Italian game. Number 2, the Sicilian Defense. Number 3, the French Defense. Number 4, the Ruy Lopez. Number 5, the Slav Defense. The Italian game. The Italian game begins with e4 to e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, and bishop to c4. The point is to control the center quickly with your pawn and knight, and then put your bishop on its most dangerous square. You are also preparing the castle to safety. The Sicilian Defense is the most popular choice of aggressive players with the black pieces. Often white will play knight to f3, d4, which will gain central space, but it also allows black to benefit by exchanging a central pawn for a bishop's pawn. The French Defense. The French Defense is one of the first strategic openings every chess player should learn. After e5, now or later, both sides will have pawn chains. One risk of the French Defense is that the c8 bishop can be very hard to develop. Number 4, the Ruy Lopez is one of the oldest and most classic of all openings. It is named after a Spanish bishop who wrote one of the first books on chess. The Ruy Lopez attacks the knight, which defends the e5 pawn. White hopes to use this attack to build more pressure on black's central pawn. Number 5, the Slav Defense. The Slav Defense is a very solid opening which defends the d5 pawn with another pawn. Most of black's pieces can develop to natural squares, but black will usually have a little less space and will have to find a good place for the bishop, the b8 knight. But the best opening of all is to control the center with active pieces and play carefully opening. And you already know how to play that one.